Have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. I got a ruler. Have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. I got a ruler. Have you got a pencil? Yes, I have. I got a pencil. Have you got a pen? Yes, I have. I got a pen. Have you got a notebook? Yes, I have. I got a notebook. Open the door, please. Come in, Tommy. Sit down, please. What is it? I don't know. Hello, my name's Go-Go. Oh, Go-Go. Very good. Sit down, please, Go-Go. Stand up, please, Go-Go. Have you got a pen? Yes, I have. I got a pen. Have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. Have you got a notebook? Yes, I have. I got a notebook. Stand up, please, Tony. Have you got a pen? Yes, I have. I'm sorry, I haven't got a pen. Have you got a ruler? No, I haven't. I haven't got a ruler. Have you got a notebook? No, I haven't. I haven't got a notebook. Oh, go. GB, what's this? It's a ruler. That's right. Have you got a ruler, Tappy? Yes, I have. Tappy, what's this? It's a pencil. Have you got a pencil, Tappy? Yes, I have. Pot, what's this? It's a robot. Have you got a robot? Bob? Yes, I have. What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a pen. I got a pen and a notebook. Have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. Have you got a pencil? Yes, I have. Have you got a pen? Notebook? Yes, I have.